Hey guys, and salam alaikum and welcome back to another video. So I just want to give you guys a big thank you for supporting my channel, with all your likes, shares and subscribes, and of course all your generous donations that help, my channel thrive and actually make it this far. And thanks to you guys, I've been able to produce high quality videos. Now, what is this video about? So in this one, we're looking to integrate this function here, which is sine cube x. And this is just the same sort of family of functions which have sines, cos, and powers of 3, 5, etc. So odd powers in particular. Now, the easiest way to do this, as always, is to always try and break these ones into smaller powers here. So that's kind of what we're looking to do. We're trying to break this power of 3 into powers of 2s and 1s, okay? And this works for any odd power problems or higher powered sine functions or cos functions or literally anything of its kind. But yeah, so without further ado guys, let's just jump straight in and see what we can do. Alright guys, so as we said earlier, we should rewrite sine cube x as powers of 2 and 1 here. So we've got sine squared x times sine to the power 1x. Okay, so just exactly as you see on the screen. Now, what we need to do next is that we're going to start using integration by substitution. And I'm going to go ahead and let my u be not sine x, but in fact cos x. And this is because that we want to try and differentiate one to get to the other. If you differentiate sine, you'll get cos, and it'll kind of mess it up. So instead, we're going to let u equal cos, differentiate to get negative sine x. So we still got sine x. Now, the best thing to do here is to pretty much make dx a subject. So you can substitute the whole thing in. So making dx a subject, you should have du over negative sine x. Now, the thing is, we still need to deal with the sine squared x in the integral. And well, there's one way to do it. Every time you got a squared function, you could actually use the trig identity, which is sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. And then go ahead and make sine squared x a subject. Because why? Because remember, we previously let u equal cos x, right? And now we can literally substitute that u into that cos x into that sine squared 1 minus cos squared function, and it looks a bit like that. So replace cos squared x with u squared. And that's perfect. Then you end up with an equation in terms of u. So now, how about we go ahead and update the integral, yeah? So with sine squared x, you can replace that with 1 minus u squared. And with sine x, well, just copy as it is, because there's not much to say there. And finally for dx, well, replace dx with du over minus sine x. Now here's where the magic happens, guys, yeah? So you've got sine x up and down. We can go ahead and just whip it out, so that's gone. And you see that little negative there? Well, just throw that behind integral, so that just gets whipped out. Now all you left is with 1 minus u squared du. And that's it. This is straight up easy. So integrating both of them, 1 becomes a u, and u squared, you raise the power up, becomes u to the power 3 over 3. And then don't forget the plus c. And that's it, guys. We're literally at the end here. So just expanding the bracket, just make it look a bit nicer. And lastly, don't forget to always update the u value with what u actually is, which is cos x. So it should end up becoming minus cos x plus cos cubed x over 3. And then plus c. And that's it, guys. We're pretty much done. I just want to thank you guys for coming to this end of my channel, and if you've enjoyed the content so far, just go into my channel page, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for more notifications. And if you want, you can do personalized or all, and that way you won't miss any future maths or educational videos. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Ciao.